Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set a custom keyboard theme on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, first we need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to System. Over here open Keyboard and then go to On-Screen Keyboard and then select your keyboard. Most likely it will be Gboard unless you are using a different one. So let's go there, then go to Theme, and now over here where it says My Themes you have this plus where you can press on it in order to start creating your own theme. So over here you can use a picture from your gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Then we can pinch to scale, so we can zoom in and out. We can of course also reposition if needed. There we go. Say I'm gonna choose maybe something like this. There we go. And then we can press next. Now we can adjust the brightness of the background image. So I'm gonna choose the 100% brightness in this case, and then I can press done. And there we go. Now we can change the key borders. We can also press this pen in order to re-edit the picture. And of course over here we can remove the theme as well. But if you want to use it, we can just press apply. And there we go. We should now have our own custom theme. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!